So this is called Dear Daddy. Dear Daddy, I'm writing you this letter to tell you how I'm doing down here. It's been a while now. Bus driver talking and the news in the background talking about how bad the economy is and how terrible everything's going on in the world today. And I looked at Vicki and I said, you know what, I've still got a lot to be thankful for. And that's where this came from. This is thankful for. I've got my mama, my brother, and my baby sister. Daddy in heaven watching over me. Got the preacher sermon and grandma's cooking every Sunday like it ought to be. Yeah, that's what I'm thankful for. I've got 3 generations. There we go.
You are the real deal. Not only a great singer with super music and a songwriter, but an ambassador for women and Harley Davidsons.
Well, we're trying to get as many women out there as possible. So if you're listening and you're women or male and you want to get out there and ride, you can either go to my website, KristaMarie.net, Krista with a K, and follow the links from there to HarleyDavidson.com. And there's some great courses out there, and we're really pushing getting new riders out there. So if you want to experience life the way I do, which is just having a whole lot of fun, it's a great way to go about doing it.
Tell me how you have, your career has been really in-depth. You've done a lot of different things, and of course music has always been the center of it. And country music, you're an amazing singer. I heard some of her music a little while ago. But tell us how you got your start.
Well, I came out screaming, and I came out wanting to go fast. So that's what my mom says anyway.
I'm ready for this.